Welcome back to Science with Sarah, episode, I think, 5. Today, we're going to be doing 2 explosions because I like exploding things. We're going to start with what I think is going to be the smaller one and work our way up to something huge, hopefully, if it works. So, I'm going to try and explode ketchup. Yeah, you heard me right. We're exploding ketchup. Now, I watched this on Facebook because I'm a college student with nothing else better to do right now. And there's these people in Ohio called Team Balmer. They support heart disease because their child had heart disease, and they have really fun videos. So if you search Team Balmer on Facebook or Instagram, they're really cool. Highly suggest it. They're really funny. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to take off the safety seal. I don't actually eat ketchup. I don't like ketchup. So throw this on my mat, and then I'm gonna dump some of the ketchup out so that it's easier to work with later. So that's nasty. Okay, so I have about half a bottle of ketchup. And now what they did, I'm going to open my baking soda. All right. So I'm just going to, they didn't actually measure anything, so I'm not going to do that either. I'm just going to pour some in. Do a little more. Okay. And we'll save that for our next thing. Now I think I'm going to gently crack my lid, because I'm going to seal this on, and my lid is gently cracked so that it can escape through the tiny hole. I'm scared. And I guess I'm supposed to just shake this up. So, without getting this over the white lab coat, I wore clothes I don't care about today. I guess I just shake this up. It's making noises. It's making noises. Oh! Is that it? That was kind of late. That was it. I think that was it. That was really sad. That was kind of lame. But it's orange. So I just ruined an entire bottle of ketchup. That's fine, I bought it with my own money. What'd I do? What'd I spend my paychecks on? This was terrible. We're gonna do something else. And, oh, that is pressurized! Should I like pop the cap? Like, what should I do?
No, I don't know. You're the scientist.
I'm an accountant!
That's really blown up. Maybe you should jump on it.
I mean, okay.
No, that was kidding. That's not safe science. You're wearing open-toed shoes.
I know. Here, I'll just... It popped! It's gonna explode!
Well, since it popped, that should have released some,
No! The plastic pop.
Oh, that's
What if
exciting.
I throw a hammer on it?
I'm gonna back up.
I feel like it's just gonna explode on its own. Okay.
Hang on. I need to be out of the way of the hammer.
Woo, Nelly. Aw, man. You see how close it was?
Are you really going to grab another hammer?
Yeah.
You could walk over and get the hammer we have. Oh my word.
Okay. Take 2.
That thing's gonna blow up.
It's gonna explode. Oh man.
I think the pop depressurized the container.
Huh?
I think the pop depressurized it.
I don't think so.
That's not a good idea.
I don't know what to do. I could start throwing rocks.
No. If you can't get it with a hammer, you can't get it with rocks. This ain't gonna go well. Whoa!
Did you see that? That was so totally wicked.
Hang on, hang on.
Oh my Lanta.
Wow. Ew.
Oh my gosh.
That is disgusting.
Oh man. See, that's where it cracked. You can see like it's a different color.
Yeah.
That was cool. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time. See what else I explode.